Hello everyone, my name is Alberto and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I wanted to show you how to do the next stitch in the series, which is the double crochet. Double crochet is taller than the single crochet and it's another very versatile stitch. You're going to start with your chain as usual. When you're done with the number of chains you need to do, you're going to chain 2 this time. Again, because this stitch is taller than last one. And when you're done chaining 2, you're gonna stitch, skipping the chains you just did, in the next free one. You're gonna yarn over, put the hook through the chain, yarn over again, and now you're gonna have 3 loops on the crochet. You're gonna pull the yarn through 2 of those loops and you're gonna have 2 left on the crochet. So again, you're gonna pull the yarn through those 2 loops and that completes the stitch. So this is a double crochet. Doing it again, yarn over, going into the chain, pulling the yarn through. We have 3 on the hook, pulling the yarn through 2 of those 3. We have 2 left, pulling the yarn through both of them, completed stitch. As in every stitch, it is very important that you control your tension, and this is gonna help you get an even result and not to struggle too much. Here you can see the finished row. As you can see, it's much taller than the last one, which was the single crochet. When you get to the end, as before, you're gonna chain first. In this case, again, we're gonna chain 2, and then we're gonna turn our work. As usual, when we turn, we skip the chains we just did and we're gonna stitch in the next space. Yarn over, pull the yarn through, pull through both loops, leaving 2, and pull through both loops again. Now, depending on the pattern, you're gonna either wanna put the hook through all of those or in the space in the middle. I tend to do the space in the middle unless it's otherwise specified on the pattern, but that's up to you. And here you can see how tall this stitch gets. Again, getting towards the end of this row, you can see it's another stitch that works quite fast. It just takes a little bit of practice. And when we get to the end, again, we are going to chain 2 and turn. But here you can see this is just 2 rows. Granted, it's quite a chunky yarn, but this stitch works quite fast. Here is a bit of the finished piece. You can see it gets quite big, quite spacey. There's a lot of holes between the bars of the stitch. And this allows you to create many other different stitches and patterns depending on what's required. Looks the same from both angles. And that's it. So this is double crochet. I hope you like it and the video was useful for you. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. It's a great help. and leave me any questions or comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye!